Hi, today we'll be checking out this WOKEISE butterfly and rose flower light up dome, and we'll set it up on the shelf and it'll look amazing. Let's check it out. Inside the box, you'll find a card that says just for you, and it's completely blank on the inside, so you can write all your thoughts. The dome is well packed in a nice styrofoam, and it looks amazing coming right out of the box. It says just for you, and it has a wooden base, and there is a battery compartment on the inside and an on-off switch as well. Here it is fully unwrapped, and it's beautiful. Check it out. Here's the top view, and there's the butterfly on the inside, and there's some fairy string lights wrapped all throughout. Let's light it up. On the inside, there are 3 AAA battery slots, so I'm gonna load them in. This rose has an on-off switch at the bottom, and it flips between the 3 different modes. The first mode is a quick flash. The second mode is a slower flash, and the third mode is just statically on. You have to switch the little switch on and off each time for changing out of the modes. I like the solidly on light. I think it's very pretty, and you can see the iridescence and the hologram appearance in the butterflies. Look at all the rainbow colors. It's gorgeous. Same thing for the flower. And this is an acrylic top, not a glass top, so if it does fall, it won't break on you, which is very nice. Let's go put it on the shelf and say goodbye. Thanks for listening and watching my video. This is the WOKEISE butterfly and rose flower light up dome. This would make the perfect gift. Really, really gorgeous.
If you like what you see, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.